Me need not stay in my own car. I'm going to some motion of the car stay out there. So anybody come in can go out the car, not me a car. Honestly, we're not familiar with the zone. I'm not staying in that car. This is Jamaica 2020. Greetings, welcome back to our channel. I am ready for
love.
Then I will play town pre-Valentine's Day. The town cock up.
Yeah.
Valentine is coming.
Where's your boyfriend?
Sitting at home lonely.
Anyhow, guys, today I saw something on the interwebs and I thought I would let Jerome react to it, and then we kind of discuss it like. So it's a thing there. What do you call that? It's a situation. So it says, I got set up on a blind date with this guy. Am I listening? He lived in Portmore and I lived in Kingston. He came to pick me up from my house and said we were going to Port Royal to have a meal and then chill, talk and listen to the waves. He told me explicitly that he borrowed this car because he didn't own one. I was fine with that because I didn't have one at the time, so who am I to judge? On our way to Port Royal, the car broke down on the loneliest road ever. He came out and tried to fix it, but he could not. He called around, but all his friends were apparently far away. So he had to leave me to go get help. The long and short of it, I fell asleep, and when I woke up, it was morning. I saw a JUTC bus passing and stopped it and found my way home. I do not know what happened to him or the car. Talk to me.
Okay, what I think I got was she meet this brother and him carry out on a date to Port Royal, and him come a yard pick her up, and then on the journey you would have said to her that the vehicle is not his.
Didn't tell her before.
Okay, so while they were going, the vehicle break down?
Yes.
And so they didn't reach where they were actually destined for?
On the loneliest of roads, she said.
Okay, and they were there all night in the vehicle?
No, just her.
Just her?
Yes.
So he brought down and left her in the vehicle?
He brought down and tried to fix it, and he couldn't fix it, so he called a few friends to see if they could help him. All of them were apparently far away, so him left say, I'm gonna get help. She in the car wait till she drop asleep. When she wake up, it was morning. The man don't come back yet. So she see a JUTC bus passing. She jump on the bus and find her way home. She don't know what happened to the man nor the car.
Which is right, you should have left long time ago, because I don't understand now. Number one, bro, I know anything can possibly happen, right? So we know car problem can be at times unpredictable. So you borrow somebody's car, bam, the music now coming right, so we get copyright. All on the people. Alright, yeah. So you borrow somebody's car, bam, unexpectedly something happen. You can't leave a girl one with the old car. Postman
on the loneliest
exactly,
of
because
roads.
number one, man might want to come take the car. Number two, they might want to come rob. So you maybe tell me say, you leave her with on security guard?
Yes! But leave her to secure the vehicle.
I blame that
is
girl.
Not yours.
I would want to find out from her though, why you think that it was okay for you to stay with the car? Me not
stay with your friend car where you borrow. Sorry, I'm not staying with it.
That is unsafe. Because
Me
number
not
one,
stay with a friend car, friend.
me not let no life. Need break up on some lonely road. Me need not stay in my own car. I'm going to some motion of the car stay out there. So anybody come in can go out the car, not me a car. Honestly, we're still not familiar with the zone. I'm not staying in that car. This is Jamaica 2023. You understand? You have to be very careful.
And she was so comfortable enough to fall asleep while she awake. And
Probably the
wake
first
up
time she's
the
doing
next
this.
morning.
She used
At
to
their
them-
first date, she
No
said,
man, I know, but probably she have similar experience. She'd have gone on those sort of dates. And she love the adventure. There are some women who are like that.
so you sleeping at the car till morning? You drop asleep in the car till morning?
No, she broke.
On a lonely road, you don't know no.
This a girl if you can just go outside and something like that happen, and you can manage to sleep, you have the road long time. She an adventure girl. Like. She's an adventurous woman. She love them something there. It's just that this one might seemingly go overboard. So what's called and be hungry people, bad. Yeah, it's probably she go overboard. They wanna go overboard though, so she decides to say, yo, I'm not wait no more, I'm cut. But I would say though, brother, I don't think that's a good decision that you'd have made. Apparently the girl don't mind because she should have sleep in her car. Probably he said to her, say, am I coming or you want to stay? And probably she said she will stay. I don't know.
Me run go to half a tree, go see if me can get somebody to come start out the car. Stay with the car, me soon come back.
No, I'm not doing something. But I'll leave the car and me and her go and come back. So the fact now is you don't hear from him since, you don't have each other number like what?
She not hear from him since she don't know what happened to him nor the car.
But bad to bad now, sister, you could have called though. And say, hey.
Maybe she'd have called and she didn't. But sister said she drop asleep, so what time
No,
she
I'm
have to
talk
call?
after. Likewise, the guy could have called to her.
No, but if you left me there till morning, I'm not calling you.
So he didn't call through that time either.
She'd asleep.
Just where they want to hold closure upon it.
Exactly, there are so many questions. Because first of all, you're not leaving me there. Second of all, if you don't manage to left me there, me not drop asleep. What time me have to drop asleep? Me not drop asleep.
Sister, come back to the woman and used to them streets. So she do that already at the first. This one just go over.
No, it's not gonna happen. It's not happening. I'm sorry. It's not gonna work.
Things people do though.
And that was their first date. And it was a blind date. Somebody set them up and say, yeah, man,
it was
my
a
friend
blind date
nice. My friend nice, man, I can
God.
go to them.
I don't know if people do it. I think it actually works for some people, but I could never do the blind date something. I'm not going to cut out for them. Nope.
Yeah, man, my friend nice. I can go to them and he might take care of you and
No,
something, man.
me can't do something. Me think it's
Rather?
too sensitive for them, if what she say. They got to do it and they work for them and them love it and so, but I don't think that me not cut out for this.
Me I tell you,
Blind
that
date.
would not be. First, me not go on a blind date with nobody when me don't know you wanna carry me go somewhere in a car. Alright, suppose the man tell her if you stay with the car and I really set in there set up somebody if you come rob her.
She's very adventurous.
Because the man says not for him car, you know.
Yeah.
So that the car they could have there anywhere, anytime, you know.
But me not understand how you could be comfortable for him to leave you there if you get help.
Not me.
And alone
Me
the
coming with
road.
you.
You're crazy? Yeah, what? The car engine or something you can't move? You
Yeah,
have
I
to stay the car?
come right back at you, me I walk.
Yeah, because I being there no means the car go work. And if you say I must stay so I can secure the car, how me to secure the car? You give me gun? Yeah, that's what I mean. So what is the rationale behind you leaving me there, I staying there with the car? What's the reason? Tell me the big reason why it's important that I stay.
I was talking to one of my friends and she said probably a shame. Why not
And you
come
leave
back?
me?
No, why not come back? In shame.
That don't make nothing. But me not understand the shame. The shame me not understand.
In shame say, why me tell her say I never my car. One, me not have no car. And me do get a car and car with the girl. And this got happen to me. In shame.
The shame me not. But it done brought down already, so you will stay and not going to change the facts I brought down. So I don't think the shame will make sense. That's a full shame. If there's such a thing, that don't make sense.
Well, that's...
The figures are probably go to get help and probably in can't reach back.
Why?
And me get all the shame work now. So probably in can't reach back and like me spend 3 hours now, so how am I going to face her? So you know what? If she stay out there, man, she'll be like a yard. The kind of thing.
And she, instead of Garyard, said me ride or die, me nah left my new man car. Me I wait to do it.
Probably I don't even if she can't, probably she don't wait and she just real jump and sleep the truth.
Overnight, you know, wake up one time.
I don't understand. I don't understand. I'm trying to see if I can diagnose what.
You mean you never wake up for turn? Nothing? You know, you're one yang a pass and you jump up? Nothing? when you wake up a morning, no sir.
Sister used to work here, man.
She coulda wake up, tie up somewhere. I don't know if a night or day.
But rational though, I know for some people the blind date kind of thing work because there are some people who sorry, these things kind of turn them on in whatever way. So them love the adventure. No man, the blind date, the surprise and them look something. So I know for some people it's they call it fantasy or whatever. We call it word fetish, yeah. So some people kind of like them something. But I would just say though, be careful because it might really not be safe. Not just a car breaking down, it could have transpired in so many.
Yeah, she could have wake up and don't know where she is, tied up somewhere. People are harvest people body parts these days.
Yeah, I mean, when name again? Kidney started upon demands.
Them cut out people organs and sell them and these things. So anything at all could have happened to her.
That was a little nice,
That's a house?
Like Airbnb sort of thing. I would live in that too.
That looks huge.
It look nice. Yeah, so people be careful, especially in this season. We know everybody want something nice and want to enjoy with youthful days and everything, but be very careful because we're living in a crazy time, a sick time. People do the unthinkable.
Facts.
Yeah.
Anything, any number, something could have transpired because you could have set her up. Somebody could have passed and see the car and want the car and then look in there and then see the bonus prize. A girl in there.
It's like at the bus fare. Fun on a bus. One stop.
But any number of things could have happened to her, but we give thanks that she made it out to tell the story.
It's the story.
Natural.
Leave your comments down below and tell us what would you do. Yeah, so you can look at it two ways. If you were the man, how you'd treat the situation, you're trying to impress this girl and once a bomb. Car shell on the road and you have some car now, I tell you, so them bad man, you see? Work against you.
Always wait till you're there in front of a crowd.
Yeah man, they overheat and I start all them problems there. So what would you do if you're the man? Also if you're the female, just leave your reaction down below. You know what go on. What you think really happened, why brother never turn up or return to the car. And why is he stop up asleep? Like me not understand. What's your thought?
She's tired.
Alright, what do you think?
Alright guys, leave your comments down below. Like the video if you like this content. It helps us in the algorithm. Anything
new guys, just subscribe. It's free down and pay fee. Just drop a subscription down there. Just touch it because a boy. Subscribe to the channel. Let's see it. We appreciate the strength, we appreciate the support. Alright? Big up yourself.
Big up Uno. See you later. Bye.